What is up, guys? Today I'm playing this game. I forget what it's called. It's like a helicopter game, but you can fly planes in it. Playing the Cessna. Let's see. I'm not sure how I turn the volume down on it. Oh, never mind. I forgot I didn't have to turn it off. Turn down the game or something. Yeah. So, yeah, we're on the helicopter game. Find the Cessna. Okay. Seatbelts. Okay. Just get off. It's not gonna be a super long flight, but actually, maybe I'll do it. Just take off.
100 Roger, Squad 4227, please remain the altimeter is 2998, traffic 2 miles south of the airport, Quebec, you're 1 at 1,400.
I mean, at least I think that's how it's it. Serious. Anyway. I'm not sure. Cessna.
Clear to Ontario Airport, Vivian, moving departure, Victor 186, Paradise Direct, maintain 5,000, departure frequency will be 128.75, squawk 4653.
People we used to be 200 I'm sure you do a free fall. this game. Because playing solo games in this game. So, yeah. See you guys in the next one. And make sure to subscribe. Goodbye.